Morning, children. I hope you are keeping well. Today, we are going to continue with lesson number 2, Computer Languages. Children, in the previous turn, we have learned about low level languages. Today, we are going to learn high level languages. High level languages, which we also call HLL, has instructions which are almost similar to English language used by us. So we can give the instruction in our own language. It is very user friendly and resembles the language that we use. Features of high level languages. Let us see various features of high level languages. It is similar to English language. It is very user friendly. It resembles the language that we use. It is easier to understand and write the program. Children, when we are asked to write or learn the language which we already know, it will become very easy for us to understand and write the program. It is machine independent. This is very important that you can use in any machine. It can be used on almost all the computers without any change. Language processor. A language processor is a software that converts program into machine language. Children, we are going to study about different language processor today. As computer does not understand the program written in HLL or assembly language, it understands only machine language. This we already know that computer understand only machine language. So whatever we writing in HLL or in assembly language, we have to convert it. So we need a language processor for conversion into machine language. Interpreter and compiler are two programs used to translate high-level language into machine language so that the computer can understand it. We have already studied in second generation that assembler changes the assembly language into machine language. In high-level languages, interpreter and compiler do this work. See, here in the middle compiler is written and here we have high level languages. So the high level languages here is here and we are using compiler, and what the compiler is doing, it is converting into low level language, that is machine language. So let us learn about these two programs one by one. Compiler. Compiler converts HLL program into machine language. It converts the entire HLL program into machine language at once and also displays errors for the whole program together. So children, you have to remember that both interpreter and compiler do the work, but compiler is a program which converts into machine language at once. That means it converts the entire HLL program and it also displays the errors of the whole program together. Now, interpreter. It also converts HLL into machine language, but it converts one line of a program at a time. It doesn't convert the whole program together. It displays the errors one line at a time and goes to the next line only after correction of the errors. So this was the difference between compiler and interpreter. Now let us move ahead with procedural language. Children, procedural language is the language which is also called third generation language. In this language, the programmer writes instructions that tell the computer what to accomplish and how to do it. So we are giving instructions, each and every instruction to computer, how it should proceed and how it should give the outcome. Like add for addition, print to print, arithmetic signs are also used in this language. Non-procedural language, we call non-procedural language as fourth generation language. In this language, the programmer also specifies what the program should accomplish without explaining how. So in procedural language, we have to explain that what the computer needs to do. But in this, explanation is not required. It uses English-like statements. So again, it is very user-friendly. Now come to natural language. It is also called a fifth generation language where robots are here. It is a type of query language that allows the user to enter requests that resemble human speech. So it resembles our own English language. I hope children you have understood all the high level languages. Thank you children.